This week, the readings from 50 essays explore family dynamics. Audre Lorde takes us to a segregated Washington, D.C., where a seemingly exciting vacation turns into an emotionally fraught memory. Lorde often, in her poetry and her prose, appealed to our emotions and our shared American history. She once stated, "I have a duty to speak the truth as I see it, and to share not just my triumphs, not just the things that felt good, but the pain, the intense, often unmitigating pain." Consider what type of appeal Lorde is making as she tells us her story. It is personal and descriptive. Revisit the narrative and highlight the moments when she references her parents. How did their decision to deal with the segregation affect her and her sisters? What good or harm did it do? In a similar way, Enrique's Lunch gives us a glimpse into family, not only the roles of members of family, but their interactions and changes over time. Compare the roles and routines of family meals from the beginning and the end. They have a definite structural change. And while Lorde does not shy away from directly stating her feelings about her family's vacation, Enrique's leaves us, as readers, hanging a little bit. What do you think her theme is? Is there a place in which she's giving her readers a thesis? Not really. Her narrative may be giving us the evidence, but there's nowhere that gives us an explicit thesis statement. It's up to the readers to make the connection between the story and what she's trying to say. Do you think that's an appropriate strategy for a personal narrative? Would it be effective as an academic essay? Couple of things to think about.